Emancipation Holiday Lunch.
We're going to begin by using our freshly blended grind seasoning and pork that we just purchased at the market. We're going to season that and let that marinate. Let it get acquainted with each other, And then once a couple of hours pass, we're going to give it a nice Trini stew down real good, and when it starts to dry down, you get a little taste, you make sure to have everything, and then once it's good, you set it aside. Now we're going to make our callaloo, as I am mentioning on your screen right now. You can find the links for some good callaloo in the cards, in the description, and in the end screen. Everybody makes their callaloo different. I don't start with coconut milk. I start with water. That is how I was taught, and the people around me was taught. So, as I said, you know where to go and get all those links. Now, let's start with the provision. So, we have some cassava, we have sweet potato, we have dasheen, taro. Some people call it taro. We in Trinidad is mostly called that dasheen. Alright, and we're gonna cook all of that goodness up with a little bit of salt. You don't need to put it, it's not mandatory, but it's good to add a little salt when cooking dasheen, because when they're plain, they're terrible. Anyway, but we're going to toss it up in a little buttery vegetable goodness. And as you're seeing, all the ingredients that was used is on the screen right now. We're also going to cook some beetroot and some plantains. This is plantain that was grown in my garden, so we have no chemicals. Ugh. As for the beetroot, it was bought in the market as well. So we're going to boil the beetroot and the plantains. And ladies and gentlemen, lunch on this wonderful Emancipation Day is finito. And it looks good, doesn't it? It was delicious. So, oh my gosh. August 1st, we celebrate Emancipation every year. Thanks for watching.